On these problems, again, it's an equation that you need to solve, trying to find out the value of x that makes this true. Now, there's two things going on here. You got a variable on both sides, and you have some simplifying you have to do. So let's do simplifying first. So to simplify, we simplify this left side by doing distributive property. So 12x minus 28. And that equals, well, on this left side, you got to add like terms. 9x plus 14. So now we have it simplified, both sides simplified, so we have to solve. In order to solve, the goal is always to get all of the x's on one side. So to do this, I'm going to subtract 9x, because if I want to get them on one side, that means I need to get them away from the other. So by subtracting 9x, that cancels out the 9x from the right side. And that leaves me with, well, 12x minus 3x is 3x, or minus 9x is 3x, minus 28 equals 14. Remember, this is 3x minus 28 or plus a negative 28, so we're going to add the opposite, which is a positive 28. That's going to give us 3x equals 42. And now just solving it, divide both sides by 3, and you get x equals 14. And that's your answer. You could always go back up here and plug it in and see if it turned out to be correct and check your answer. That's always a good option when solving these equations. Okay, the second problem is very similar. You just got to do simplification. Okay, so it's just a step-by-step problem. The first step is going to be distributive property. 10x minus 20, and then plus 8. Right, I haven't done anything with that 8 yet, so I just got to keep it added on. Same thing on the other side, 3x times 15, so 9x plus 5, and then I'm subtracting 4x. I still have like terms to add up. On this left side, there are no other x's, so the 10x is by itself. But I've got a negative 20 and an 8. Negative 20 plus 8 is a negative 12. So 10x plus negative 12. Here I've got 9x plus a negative 4x, so I subtract them and I get 5x. And then plus 15. There should have been 15 here. So when you go through and solve this, the first thing to do is get the x's on the left side. So we're going to subtract 5x. That'll give us 5x plus negative 12, because 10x minus 5x is 5x. 5x minus 5x is 0. That's what we wanted. We wanted to get rid of the x from the right side. And then plus 15. Add 12 to both sides to get the 5x by itself. You get 5x equals 27. Divide by 5. And x equals either 27 over 5 or 5.4 or 5 2/5.